Okay guys, now you're tired of using so many different online tools to run your marketing business or agency, and each costing a monthly fee, and to be honest, quite a tedious process to make them work properly together? Well, don't worry anymore, because today I'm going to introduce you to GoHighLevel, which is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform to help you manage your agency and all your clients' accounts. So basically with GoHighLevel, you can literally scrap all of these online tools that you're currently using and log into one single platform and have access to all the tools that you ever need to run your agency. So altogether it's a fantastic solution. So let me show you very quickly here. So you're invited to join the movement. So this solution has been designed by agencies for agencies and for many good reasons. As you can see here, these are all the different features available within GoHighLevel. So normally those tools, you have to pay for them separately, with a monthly subscription. As you can see, these are all the tools you normally need. And these have been replaced with just one solution, GoHighLevel, and all that for a small monthly fee of just $297. So let me show you here. So first, obviously, you get a CRM and pipeline management, to which you can create as many sales funnels as you want. You even have a website builder, so you don't need WordPress, you don't need Wix or Squarespace anymore. You have a surveys and forms, email marketing, so you can get rid of MailChimp and HubSpot, two-way SMS marketing, booking an appointment, workflow automation, courses and products as well. So you can get rid of Kajabi or Teachable as well. You have call tracking, reputation management, tracking analytics, and all of this can be white labeled or gray labeled, which is unique to HighLevel. Basically, and resell all those services under your own umbrella, under your own branding, and under your own name. And again, like I said, just for a small fee of just $297. So this is the plan that we are going to use. So there are two different plans. You have the starter plan and the unlimited. So obviously the unlimited has way more features, and this is the one that we are going to use today. And like mentioned earlier, it's only $297 per month, which in the end is a very small investment that would allow you to generate thousands of dollars in return. And all you need to do now is to click on this button here to get access to your free 14-day trial. And as always, I'll leave a link in the description below. And this way you'll be able to follow along as we go through all these amazing features in the agency dashboard. And welcome to your agency dashboard. So this is a fresh new account, the same way you would discover it once you register with them. I wanted to do so because it's probably easier, and we go through this step by step, and you know how to set this up and how to use all the different features. So the first thing you will be asked to do is to connect your Stripe account. So it's using Stripe. So this is the only native integration in place at the moment, is Stripe as a payment method. But if you are good at coding and development, you can use webhooks to add PayPal, Authorize.net, Square, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. So again, this is really up to you. Stripe is absolutely fine, and they're also quite cheap as well regarding fees compared to the other payment methods. So this is why they've chosen this as their native integration. So this is step number one. So as you can see immediately from here, you have a complete overview of your financial situation. So what was your revenue from last month, recurring revenue, also how many new customers you've acquired, and basically here you have all the revenue distribution, and you will see your growth in the last 6 months. So you can have a quick overview of your financial situation, which is super handy. So let's have a look again at our menu section. As you can see, we have agency dashboard and also sub accounts. So what are sub accounts? Well, basically these are all the clients, all the accounts that you're managing. Okay, so if you click on this, I'm going to show you the difference between the two. So basically here is where you're going to upload your client's account, so all the different accounts that you manage. So let's say you've been doing a bit of prospecting and you're onboarding a new client, let's say a restaurant, for instance, or something like this. Okay, all you have to do is click on add sub account. And right here, you can select a snapshot template. So what's that about? Well, basically, when you contact an attorney, a coaching, a CrossFit, a Dayfit, a dentist, all these different industries, they usually have the same requirements. So for instance, when you run a Facebook ad, it's usually the same type of ad for all the dentists and so on and so on. So this is going to save you a lot of time, obviously, So let's say we are onboarding a new restaurant, okay? So you have restaurant snapshot, so select and continue. And now right here, we can add the customer's address. Okay, so let's say we were looking for a restaurant in New York. So we're going to put the address here. Okay, so 345 Park Avenue. There you go. So we have this, and the name of the restaurant, we have it as well. So it's Upland. Okay, so we're going to put the restaurant's name, Upland. There we go. So now we can select this. There it is. So let's click on this together. And as you can see, everything is done for us automatically. We have this card has been created. We have the business name, the address, the phone number. So all the information found online is already filled in automatically for us. So we don't waste any time anymore. And here we just put the name. So let's say we were in touch with John Doe, okay? And we're going to put his email address. So john.doe@upland.com, okay? Scroll down the page and then we can save our new client. So this is basically the new sub account created, which is our client. And now we're ready to manage that account or pass it on to our customer as a white label account, and they can take care of that themselves. Either way, so either way, you're going to make money, you know. So again, there are two options available to you. You can manage the account yourself and invoice your customers at the end of the month for the service provided, or you can white label the platform here basically under your own name, your own branding, your own colors, and basically give the login details to your customers and they can access their own account and manage it themselves, you know. But either way, like I said, you will get paid, okay? So let's have a quick look here. As you can see, I've switched to sub account. So let's do this. We're going to open this in a new tab just to show you the difference between the agency dashboard and the client dashboard, okay? So once you manage a client's account, it will look like this. It's very similar, but you have a few different tools obviously by the side. So now here, clearly we're talking full-blown CRM system, customer relationship management, pipeline, opportunities and all that. As you can see, you have all your opportunities here, all your pipeline value and the conversion rate. So these are the most important numbers you need to have access to when managing your client's account, okay? So you will have your funnel here and also all the different actions. So how many actions are pending, how many phone calls were given, how many text messages were sent, and all of that. So this is basically a quick overview of your client's account. So now we have the Launchpad as well. So basically here you can download the app immediately, you know, so you can access all your important information, data, and get it on top of your marketing strategies here on the go, basically using your mobile phone. As you can see here, you can generate more leads using Google My Business, so you can link that directly as well. You can link that to your Facebook account, so basically to manage all your conversations, the message, the feedback and reviews you receive. And you can also link a web chat widget on your website to generate leads, connect Stripe, use WordPress as your website builder, and also add more team members as well, so you can add as many staff that you have in your company, obviously, you know. So this is basically a quick access to all these different features, very handy. So this is the Launchpad. So now let's discover the conversations here. So this is an absolutely amazing feature. This is going to save you so much time. So basically from here, you're going to get all the different communications between your leads, your clients, and it integrates with Facebook and Instagram as well. So here it will show basically all your messages in one inbox. So basically your text messages, your emails, Facebook DMs, Instagram DMs, basically all in the one spot. And again, this is absolutely amazing, and it's going to save you so much time. You don't have to go and open different email addresses and so on, all in the one spot, okay? And it's also available on the mobile app, so you don't miss out on any opportunities. So next we have our calendar. So this is basically where all your appointments live. As you can see, you can add a book an appointment manually, or you can have this done automatically using the CRM system and different forms online. So now this calendar here syncs up automatically with your Google Calendar as well. So everything showing up on your calendar here will also show up on your Google Calendar and the other way around. So this is absolutely great. And again, it's going to save you so much time. And then we have our contacts here. So basically this is where you will have all your leads and paying customers already in place right there. So when you start with a blank slate like this, you might want to import some of your leads and customers, maybe from a previous system that you've been using. And for this, all you need is an Excel sheet, basically, okay? So you can use a Google Sheet, for instance, you know. So all you need basically is the first name, last name, email, phone number. So these are the essential ones. And you can add stages as well if you're using the CRM system. So you could have maybe not interested, it's the lead, or sold if it's an existing customer. And all you have to do basically is to export that and save it as a CSV file, okay? And save this somewhere on your hard drive. So save. And now we can go back to our dashboard here and basically import, okay? Import contact. We're going to see how easy it is to upload file. So I'm going to select the file we just created together. There you go. Open. Next. So it's going to map the fields to existing fields here. So we have the first name, last name, email, and phone number. And as you can see, we don't have stages. So what do you want to link this to? So basically this could be tags. For instance, you can use this as a tag, or maybe type, or maybe a note. Okay, so as you can see, these are pre-assigned fields, and you can do that manually yourself. So I'm just going to select here, for instance, tags. Okay, and then click next. And then now we can create this. Okay, so submit. So normally it shouldn't take more than a few seconds, and then you can click to view progress. And there you go. As you can see now, this is completed. So if we go back to our contacts now, they should all be there. There you go. As you can see, I have the name, the phone number, the email address, the date it was created, and the tags. As you can see, book, sold, lead, and so on. Okay, and from your contact page here, there's another fantastic feature. You can bulk select them all. So let's select all the 200 records. Okay, and right here on top, I can send an SMS message, a text message to my whole list here. I can send an email as well. And look at this one, you can send a review request as well, and they will basically receive a text message requesting a review that's linked directly to your Google review page, basically. Okay, so this is again a fantastic feature. So let's unselect this for now, and next we have our opportunities. So basically this is showing you your pipeline and all the different stages that your leads will go through. So these are fully customizable, obviously. If you go to pipelines now, you will see we have the free advertiser pipeline. So you can create as many as you want, obviously, based on your own requirements. You can create as many pipelines. This is unlimited. So if you wanted to edit this one, you have to do is click on the small pencil here. And as you can see, you have all the different stages here. So new lead, hot lead, reservation, requested, and reservation confirmed. Now you might want to change this to something else, perhaps add more stages, and then you can reorganize them as well. Maybe you want this one to be further down, this one first, and so on and so on. Okay, so this is basically how you can create your different pipelines. And if you want to create one afresh altogether, click on this button here, put a name, so let's call this one test. So we'll have stage 1, you add stage 2, and so on until it becomes a paying client. Okay, so this is basically the ultimate goal, is to get paid. Okay, so that's basically how this one works. And let me show you another amazing feature. Basically, if you go back to opportunities, if you were to create, for instance, a stage called appointment booked, you can have automation in place, or rules basically in place, that if someone confirms the appointment, it will jump automatically there. So it will show up here instead of previously maybe in hot lead. Maybe it was a hot lead, they confirmed the appointment, and basically it will jump automatically here. And this can be can apply basically to any of those stages, obviously. So there are automations in place as well to make your life easier. Okay, so next we have the payment section. So this is basically where you would link your Stripe account and get all your transactions paid, basically. Okay, so as you can see, you have different types of tabs here on top. You have all your orders, your subscriptions. So this would be recurring payment, memberships and things like this. You have all your products as well. So you can create physical products, digital products, or get paid for services, So you put the product name, the product description, and as you can see here again, we have physical goods, digital goods, and services. And then you can name your price, and then you can define if it's a one-time payment or recurring payment. You can also set up coupon codes, your taxes, and additional integrations. So basically you can start selling products, membership, whatever you want from the one place without having to jump from one place to the other and have multiple platforms. Here you do everything from the same platform. And again, like I've been saying from the beginning, this is going to save you a lot of time, obviously, So next we have the marketing tab. So right here on top, we have the social planner. So that's a very handy feature. Again, as you can see, it's made to save time by scheduling posts. So first you'll have to link your social media account. So you have to enter your credential, and you can log into Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok as well. And then once you've done that, you can proceed to the next step, and you'll be able to schedule posts. So your post could be text, could be an image, could be a video as well, and you can add comment in the description underneath, and you will basically fire that up to all these different social media platforms all at once. And you can also schedule them in a future time. So maybe you can create a post for Monday, one for Tuesday, and so on. So maybe you could do that on a Friday evening when it's a bit more quiet. Take an hour of your time. You can schedule all your posts for the next week, and all of that will be gone automatically for you, and be scheduled automatically. So you can do the same with your emails. So you can create email campaigns. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but I would like to show you here. This is a very nice feature. Again, is the templates. So when you design an email template, it's usually very tedious, it's not very easy to use. Whereas here, it's super easy, very intuitive. So let's create a new template together. So let's click on new, and then you're offered 4 different options. So you can import from an email, start from scratch, choose a marketing template, which is the one we're going to demonstrate now, or you can select one from an existing campaign. Okay, so let's select this one here, and then I'm going to show you the one as well from scratch. So those 2 options, and you're going to see it's absolutely amazing. So if you don't have time, you want to save time, you might look for a ready-made template. As you can see, I have all these different areas, all these different industries and all that. So again, this one is made to save you time, okay? So we said we were working for a restaurant company, so let's look for a restaurant perhaps. There you go. And you have already a few different ready-made templates that you can choose. As you can see, absolutely amazing and very professional as well. And then you can edit them, So let's go ahead perhaps with this one here. If you click select. So this is what it looks like. And then you can customize this to your liking, obviously. If you want to carry on with this one, just click continue. And then you can then update this and customize it based on your own requirements, okay? The other option, like I said, is the start from scratch. So this one here, blank template. And you can select the design editor. If you do so, it's basically a very easy drag and drop feature, and you can design everything from scratch exactly the way you want. So if I wanted to add some text on top, drag and drop, and then you can type your title here, so title goes here, and then sample text here. And that's basically it, okay? Now you can go back. And now we can add an image, perhaps, if you want to add an image underneath. And then you're going to select your image, upload it, and so on. And then this is how you can design a very clean looking and very professional looking email template. Then you can save the template, and then you can email that to your whole list, okay? So let's go back here. So after this, you have the trigger links. So basically, these are links that you can create that will be tracked. So if someone was to click on a certain link, then you can basically track all this and know how much progress you're making, how much conversion you're getting from certain campaigns. And then we have the affiliate manager here. So basically here you can create campaigns and different affiliate programs. And in the affiliates, you will know exactly who signed up to your different affiliate schemes. And here you can also manage all the payouts. And now let's have a look at the automation. So from here, you can automate any aspects from within the platform, basically, okay? So you can create a new workflow, you can start from scratch or select an existing template. So the template, again, is going to help you to save you time. These are the most usual ones, the most requested ones, or you can start from scratch. So if you start from scratch, I'm going to show you so easy, So you're going to select your trigger. So what is going to trigger the reaction? Well, maybe an affiliate, when an affiliate is created, when an appointment status has been changed, maybe a birthday reminder, a contact change. As you can see, there's a large selection, is very comprehensive. So let's go, for instance, with an affiliate created. So when an affiliate is created, what will then happen? Then you can create your first action, okay? Well, let's say you want maybe to send them an email, okay? So click send an email, and then from to the subject, and then you can fill out all the details of the email you want to send, okay? And then you can do so with all the different actions, as you can see here, all of these different actions, and all of them linked from within the platform. So this is basically how you can create your workflows. And then we have the site. So another amazing feature, as you can see here, you have funnels, websites, blogs, memberships, form, surveys. So all these are linked together internally and can help you to actually manage all your marketing efforts. So if you were to click on funnels, you can create a new funnel, go to the template library, so create a new one, so you don't have to start from scratch again. And basically here you can create multi-level funnels. So select any of those that applies to your type of industry, or maybe or the type of clients you're working with, so it could be a solicitor, it could be maybe an insurance company or something like this. So let's say you're working with an insurance company, you can select this, and you will have a quick overview of your template. So as you can see, you can slap your logo right there. This is amazing, but everything is customizable, Once you click continue, you can change everything here. So basically here, this is linked as well to a survey, a form, contact form. So again, like I said, all of these are linked together. So now if you go to website, it's the same principle. You can select create a new website, go to the template library, and again you can select the full website. And again, all of these tools and features are linked together and working conjointly towards the same effort, which is to grab sales and generate money. You have the same with membership. If you click on this, you can create your memberships. As you can see, you have the opt-ins, how many members, how many sales you've generated. And again, all of this from the one place, including your forms, your surveys, chat widget, etc., etc. And the last options I'd like to show you is the reputation management. So basically with this, you're going to track all your Google reviews, and you can even send a request straight up to your customers to leave reviews for you. And I do believe that there's an AI in place with GoHighLevel that will filter out all the bad reviews. So it's almost like a cheat code, you know, to help you get only positive reviews. But I can't say for sure. I believe this is the case anyways, you know. Now, there is so much more to cover. It's unreal, but as you can clearly see, this is such a powerful tool with all the features that you'll ever need to manage your own agency and your client's account from the one place. Now, if you're interested in testing it out, as always, I'll leave the link in the description below to access your free 14-day trial. So that's all for now. Now, if you wish, you can subscribe, share, and like if you feel like it.